Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then you need to share your TradingView ID. TradingView ID will be visible in your tradingview.com on the left side in laptop. If you are using in mobile version, then in right side it will be available. It's not your mail ID. What I am asking is TradingView ID, so that I can able to share my one of the indicator free of cost. With that indicator, it's not only an indicator, you can able to realize the option mechanism, how it is working. Okay, so this is what I want to say for new people who are subscribed to my channel and watching my video for very first time. Already, if you are in my community, you might be received these things free of cost. What are the things which I was sharing last week? Let us see. Last week in the sense Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday is a holiday, so I want to share this. So this given exactly on this time. Okay, this is my community. So short covering is possible was given, that to 10:50, exact 10:50. So if you see the chart, bank nifty chart, this is the 10:50, exact 10:50. This was given before 10 minutes. So from here the short was covered, exactly short covered was slow and steady because of a nifty movement. If nifty was too bullish, then this short covering will be in different scenario. So this was predicted exactly at 10:50. Okay, previously informed. So just for a cross verification. Okay, guys. These are not post after market has done. This was done in live market. You can cross verify with timing. Okay, these things are just to give a motivation towards market, that market is predictable. Okay, so if you are able to see this frequently, continuously, then you will come to the point that market is not cheating. We are having less knowledge. That is the reason we are losing the money. So these are the understanding you will be getting after some days. So for that purpose only, I am making a regular video based on my analysis forecast, which is which will open your third eye. Okay, so this is also possible in this market. Next, what are the updates which I have given? This was updated on 25th August. So next, what I was updating is exactly, if you see here, this was the message given. After that, what message given was, yeah, this one information I was sharing, I want to give a introduction to that also. A hammer pattern and an inverted pattern on my level. If suppose if I am giving some level, so in that cases you need to focus on pattern. If you are a non subscriber, I mean if you are not a premium subscriber, then you can utilize easily using this pattern. Okay, so how that is, for example, 45,000 I am giving a level. So in this, how you can trade is use hammer pattern or inverted hammer pattern. Okay, hammer pattern or inverted hammer pattern, provided just verify that wick should not be a big wick. For example, I am plotting one thing. See here, this is wick, this is some kind of small wick. Okay, if it is biggest wick, then don't try to trade that. Okay, so these are a small tricks in price action, so people has to be aware about these things. So I am giving knowledge related to this also in this video, so that you can able to utilize easily. Okay, na, very easily you can. For example, if this is an inverted hammer, you can participate provided the zone. If this is the hammer, don't participate. If clear na, this much of wick is not healthier in my zone. Okay, so as per market, candlesticks pattern will not work everywhere. It's having its own format, so it has to work on certain areas, not every areas. So that only I am saying this, these patterns will work in my area. Okay, na? That is the speciality of my level, and that is the speciality of my area. What I am saying is, in my zone you can participate. If you are a non-premium user also, you can able to easily participate using candlesticks pattern. Okay guys. Okay, next, what I was indicating is, uh, I will be mostly using spot chart only. For trading purpose I will be using a future chart. Then we got a breakout confirmation in bank nifty, so we got a symbol of breakout area. So this was easily visible in the chart. It was very easy to trade also. So another thing, if you are keep on watching the market, you are not at all trading, means what is the thing is, you are having less confidence in this market. So for you, what you have to do is, at least you need to do trading and you need to make money of 50 rupees to 100 rupees daily, provided your risk should not exceed 100 rupees. This you should do compulsory rather than watching the market. Why I am saying this is, watching the market will not give you any knowledge. But if you are able to make even small rupees, okay, now very small rupees, so that will be giving you confidence related to market. Provided keep a strict stop loss. Stop loss is must. Okay, guys. So this is what I want to inform in this video for people who are new to my channel. Out of 10 trade, 5 trade if you are success, and 5 trade if you are lost, then also you should be in profit. So that must be your initial goal as a new trader. So that also you should be focusing, so that in future you will not worry about losses. Okay, at least 100 rupees is very important to make in market rather than watching the market. Okay guys. And Tuesday I have given morning, I have mentioned that it's a jackpot day. So that was mentioned on Tuesday. So this also many user utilized, and in our Google Map premium service there was no entry in as per a gap. We are having a gap theory, so as per gap theory we didn't get an entry, but it was very fast and furious. The market was exactly did what we have expected based on positional view. So in this market, this also one point you need to remember guys. If you are not able to make money, and if you know why the market did, for example, if market is crashing or if market is rallying like anything, if you are able to identify the exact reason, okay, now that is enough, because same thing is going to repeat. So that knowledge is enough to get a confidence, and that knowledge is enough that will motivate you that you have already made a crores of amount in this market. That will encourage you. So first of all, you need to have a right knowledge in this market. So that is the only thing will keep motivating you to make money. That too without fear. Okay. Initially, fear will be there. I am accepting that. In order to get out of fear, first thing is try to trade what you can able to afford. For example, if 1000 rupees is risky, if you think 1000 rupees is risky and 1000 rupees loss you cannot bear it, don't do that. Okay, now never ever do that. You will get a confidence day by day. Start with 100, that 100 will become 1000, that 1000 will become 10,000, surely and definitely. So don't skip those areas. Okay, that is the areas we need to focus on risk management. So, and finally, we have given this is the last support for nifty. Last support. What is the meaning of last support? So what happened exactly is exactly touched our support and market bounced from that level for very first bounce. After that, the support was broken, last support broken, and market is bleeding like anything. Almost from today, it's almost 300 points down. So this is the effect of last support. Okay, guys, can you see this? This last support was given at 9:39 when the support was, I mean, the low was not 24,756, it was at 24,760. So 24,766 was the last support. So our support was not touched, so price has to come and touch that 756 as expected. The price touched after 5 minutes, and then from that 756 it turned back. So I want to show that in the chart. So these are the things which was given on live market. Okay, so nifty chart, I'm going to keep the nifty chart. So this is the place where I was mentioned about 756. Okay, from here you can see 756. So this is the level, guys. Just I'm giving you, this was the area we told that 756 is not touched, so that has to be touched. That is the last support. Okay, so from here you can see here, from here I was mentioning that price has to come down and fill the 756. So 756 was this green candle low. Exactly, it touched. Cross verify with our community chat. Okay, so this was the low exactly made, and from there market taken a support and bounced back, and finally on the 2 p.m. session it was broken that last support, and till now it's almost 300 points down. Okay, guys, so this was the things which was given in community free of cost. Hope many people have utilized these things. Thanks for your support. I will be keep on motivating you towards market. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.